Hi and welcome to the Elvatech Academy. My name is Sergey, and today we will break down one of the most important features in ProSpector 2, results averaging mode. This feature is the key to stable, accurate measurements, especially when working with complex materials or in the field conditions. Due to the heterogeneity of some samples, a single analysis may not provide the full picture of the chemical composition. In such cases, the result averaging feature comes in handy. The averaging function allows you to take several measurements and automatically calculate the average value. This removes noise and smooths out random fluctuations. The result becomes much more reliable. Ores, ceramics, soils, powders, all of these materials are heterogeneous, and analyzing in single point only gives you a fragment of information. Averaging provides the overall picture, a representative result for the entire sample. In ProSpector 2, you can easily set the number of measurements to average, say 3, 5 or more. The feature is integrated into the software and doesn't require any complicated steps. You simply enable it and the instrument does all the calculations for you. Now I will show you in practice how this works.
Turn the unknown into resources with XRF Solutions by Elvatech. Precision that empowers confidence.
So let's get to the practice. Here on the table I have the ferrum ore sample, and we will measure this sample. And first of all, we need to choose the right calibration, the right mode for analysis. On the main screen of the analyzer, I will choose the mining exceeds 2 passes. And now we need to turn on this mode. So to turn on this mode, you need to go to the options. And you see there is the averaging mode. So, and after you need just to choose whether you want to average 3, 5 or any other number of measurements. I will choose 3 just to show you how simple this works. And I will set the duration for 5 seconds. It would be enough for us. So I did all the preparations, and now we need to set the analyzer in our lab stand. To do this, I will place the measurement table on the nose of the analyzer. And so we are ready to start the analysis, and I will place the sample onto the table and start the first analysis. So now on the screen you see the results of the first analysis, and next to the time you see that is first from 3 is the first analysis. And now we need to shake a little bit the sample. So as we have it's the ore, it is the powdered sample, and we need to shake it a little bit, so just to mix the sample. And now we can start the second analysis. And that's it. We have the results of the second analysis on the screen of the analyzer, and now we need to shake it one more time and start the third analysis. And that's it. Now on the screen you see the average result of all 3 analyses. You see next to the time you see the sign of the averaging results. It means that now we see the average result, and if you want to see, for example, the first or second or the third measurement, you can just press the arrow left, and now you see that it's third analysis, third of 3, and is the second of 3 and the first of 3. So And that is how you see the results of the analysis, and the last one is the average result of all three analyses. So, we have just seen how the averaging feature in ProSpector 2 improves measurement accuracy and stability. It's not just an extra tool, it's a way to avoid errors and ensure confidence in every analysis. Want even more accuracy? Use averaging whenever you work with non-homogeneous materials. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have many more training videos ahead for users of our analyzers. See you next time!